Hello and welcome back to my channel. We have a little bit of a new lighting setup today. I am ready with my window open in case my key light dies. As you can see by the title, we are going to be diving into Douyin makeup. Surprise! I'm popping in here. This video, one, is really short because it was just a eyeshadow tutorial and this look wasn't complicated in a sense. It was just new to me. Spoiler alert, I don't like the outcome and I didn't want to post this video because it was kind of a fail in my opinion, in my eyes. But I asked over on Instagram if I should still post the fail of the makeup look. So I'm still posting it because I had an overwhelming amount of people answer in that poll that yes, I should still post the fail. So that's what this is, but just know I wasn't going to post this and this was going to just go into my little failure folder that I have and never see the light of day, but the people spoke, so you get this video. I'll let you watch it, but let me know your thoughts on the final product in the comments below because I genuinely hate it. Back to your program. Which is basically a really fancy version of Chinese makeup, but I'm not going to do the traditional light, airy, easy breezy. I actually have a screenshot that I'm going to be working with. I don't know who this is. I am assuming she is a Reddness user, and this is just what I found on Pinterest. But all the colors in this look very similar to my Cheeryep and Freya 86 palette, so that's what I will be using today. And let's just get into it. I don't have colored contacts to do that part of it, and I'm also going to be, I'm not going to be changing my lips in this. I got in PR the new MAC Lipglazers, but I'm just doing like a wear test in the meantime. We are going to get into it. I think I'm going to do the highlights first in this makeup look. I washed all of my brushes in order to do this video as well. I wanted all of my options to be open. I think I'm gonna land on just a basic shadow brush, the Sephora 15. I'm going to start off with the lightest gray shade in the Cheeryep palette. In a similar area. I do obviously have a completely different eye shape, so we are going to have to change some of the placements. I cannot remember where I got a comment saying to try Douyin makeup. I think it was here on YouTube, but I really can't truly remember. To me, it looks like the gray is connected into the inner eye. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, something like that. It does also look like she's extremely brightened the under eye here, but I think I'm going to save that for last. And we're going to go into the grays now. This is the same brush, but clean. It's not the one that I used the white gray with, but it is the same brush. This one was the gray one. This one is the clean one. I'm going to pick up this gray here, purpley gray. Okay, and then we're gonna create like an angled cat eye situation. I don't think my angle is going to be as dramatic because I don't really have that eye shape. I really need to get a eyeshadow primer. My usual method hasn't really been working for me because it has been so hot in Toronto now from the climate crisis that my usual method for applying eyeshadow hasn't been cutting it this summer. I'm going to just very carefully blend this. I'm just dabbing a little bit into the black in the palette to create just a slightly darker gray shade. To me, this is just looking like a makeup look that I did recently. It's not looking overly, excessively Chinese style. Okay, I'm gonna add the sparkle and see if that starts to fix things. Because I feel like this is not looking the same. This maroon duochrome shade. Let me add the gray to the under eye. See, the problem is I feel like my eyes are too big for this. And that is not shade. That is just like a fact. I feel like this type of eye looks really cool if you have a monolid. I do not. I have big eyes and this is not. I don't think this is looking flattering at all. Let me put eyeliner on. I'm going to be going in with my MAC Black Track, I think. Yeah, Black Track liner pot. So there's the skinniest inner eye liner. Pretty much stops there, and then it so skinnily starts again. And then there's the wing. A contained wing. And then the bottom comes up. Okay, now I have to do all that on the other eye. I have to do my lower eyelashes, which I feel like is only gonna make me look more terrifying. Like, I feel like that makes me look terrifying, but okay. I feel like I'm not meant to do this makeup. I also feel like my highlight zones need to be more highlightery, so I'm going to go in with a white. I'm just going to wedge in some gray here. I don't know why in particular, I just feel like it's too stark. And I'm also going to go in with this Kaleidos gray. I need more sparkle. I still feel like I look crazy. I still feel quite strongly that my eye shape is not meant for this makeup. I'm going to do mascara. I don't know, you guys. I don't know about this one. This might be one of my worst makeup looks. Just preparing you all. And I thought because of this inspiration photo that I used, it was gonna be like so cute and it's gonna work for me. I don't think this is working for me. I'm gonna go in with these spiky lashes. I like don't know what else I could possibly do to make this look more like the Douyin style. I just don't think I have the right eye shape to do this style of makeup. My eyes are round, doll-like. This makeup does not make me feel pretty in the slightest. Yeah, I'm not vibing with this, and maybe it's just the inspiration photo I picked that it was just like the complete wrong thing to choose to try to attempt for the first time. But I don't know, you tell me, am I crazy? Am I missing something here on what I should have done differently? Because I feel like half of the vibe of this makeup is already my eye shape, and I don't have to do these illusions to get there. But I don't know, you tell me if I'm missing something and it's screaming at me in the face and I just can't see it. Let me know. But this is kind of a sad, weird video for this week. Hopefully next week's video will be a little bit better and better makeup as well. Yeah, I have like nothing else to say. This was a big flop. This was a big fail. I don't think I'm gonna be attempting this anytime soon. I don't think it's for me. If you liked this video, more power to you, I guess. You can hit the like button. I don't see why you would. If you liked me, even though this was not my most personable video I've ever posted, you can hit subscribe so I can pop up in your feed more often. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are Claire Cuckoo. All the makeup products I used today will be in the description box down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!